Day by day, we are using more and more smart devices, and this Redmi Smart Band is one of them. I'm gonna give you full review after 6th month of long usage this Redmi Band. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. As I said, I have already used this device almost 6 months, so I am now giving you a long term review. So first of all, its price is around 1400 rupees in Indian market, and it was available and also available right now in Amazon.in. I will give the best buy link in the description. If you want to buy, you can definitely buy it. First of all, what is the difference in this Redmi Band? So the difference is that the main highlight point is it does have full screen touch display with a button. What happened basically, normally most of the smartwatch have the button to touch button and the display is not fully touch, but the highlight point is 2.74 cm full touch display with a button. So that is the main highlight point. And the most important thing of any smartwatch or smart band is the battery backup. Redmi officially claims that they will give a 14-day battery backup. In my real life uses, after 6 months I have noticed that I am getting around 12 days of full battery backup from 100% to 0%. So yeah, 14 days 12 days is pretty much acceptable. So I can say after a long usage, battery backup is quite impressive. Next thing, what about the outdoor condition? Because the smartwatch, we are not gonna use only indoor condition in our home. The smartwatch we have to use in the outdoor condition in daylight situation. Brightness, so it does have support of changing the brightness low, medium, high, and there you can see lots of stages is there, 4 or 5 stages of battery backup of brightness setting. So in low brightness you will get more battery backup, and in high brightness you will get less battery backup. Next thing, highlight point is of smart band right now is having heartbeat sensor. So it does have heartbeat sensor, which will give you a heartbeat sensor. There is the 2 green color LEDs there in the bottom side, and it gives you almost accurate heartbeat rate. There is 2 settings. You can manually go to the smart band and check your heartbeat rate, or you can go to the application. In their application, Xiaomi Wear, basically the application they are using with this device, their option is there. You can set it 1 hour or 30-minute interval. Automatically it will fetch your heart rate and log your device. So it is pretty good thing, but remember, if you gonna use in intervals the heartbeat rate, your battery will be drained. So that one thing you have to keep in your mind. Next thing is that by default it does not have the raise up to open the display. That's mean here in this way, every time you have to be in this way and you have to tap to see the time. So this is pretty much problematic when you are in one hand condition. Suppose you are working, eating something, and you want to see the time. So in this way you can't see the time. So there is one option, one hand or rise to automatic open up. So if you open that option, so as soon as you very quickly jump up your hand, so your light or the display will come up and you can see the date and time. So that's pretty good thing. Next thing, the pretty cool thing is that almost 50 wallpapers or theme is there inside this application. So from their application you can upload the customized theme. You can download from internet in this Xiaomi Wear application, so you can change the display whatever you want. So that's a pretty good thing. So you will not get boring with the same display or wallpaper background in your smart band, rather than you can change the looks. Next, another thing is that inside this smart band you can have look the weather update. So it will basically from the internet, it will serve the weather update in your local area location, and it will display right away in your smart band. So from the smart band display you can able to see the weather update up to 3 days. Next, another cool thing is that you can set alarm on and off right away from the smart band without going to the application. Remember, you have to first save the alarm time. That's mean in the morning alarm, if you save the 7 a.m. morning alarm, so you can turn on and turn off right away from the smart band without having again go to the mobile device. Stopwatch is also there, so you can do in a stopwatch, you can check the stopwatch for some kind of racing event or any kind of thing, and there is also some timer is there. So this is pretty good thing, almost everything related to clock right away inbuilt with this smart device. Another thing is the DND or do not disturb mode. You can right away set the DND mode from your smart band, and as well as you can set the DND mode on and off from your smart band, and as well as set the DND mode turned on until you wake up in the morning. So that is another cool feature. You can also control music playback right away from your smart band. You can control the volume, you can call play or pause and next song, previous song, everything you can do right away from this smart band. Another cool feature is that if you lost your mobile and you are pretty much near in your mobile, so you can go to the smart band, and then there is another option is there is the find device or find mobile. If you click that, the ring will be loud ring will coming out from your mobile, so that you can go near the mobile, you can find your lost mobile in your home or office. So I think that's a pretty cool thing. Next thing is that you can reset your device, that's in factory reset from the smart band itself. There is a factory reset option is there inside the smart band, and you can also restart your smart band if any kind of problem you are facing. Another cool feature of this device is that you can see who is calling you, their name or their number will be there. You can see their SMS also, their SMS content is there, any app notification like Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, any notification you can see right away from your smart band. And also you can reject the call. That's mean if you want to reject the call, you can right away click your smart band and the call will be rejected. Another thing is that there is lots of option is the cycling, treadmill, running, lots of workout feature which will be very helpful if you go to gym. So I can say this is a pretty good fitness band, I can say. Now comes to the cons, or which I did not like, or you can say the problem in this device. First of all, the charging system. There is no adapter is there. There is a basically inbuilt micro USB socket is there, male type socket micro USB. So you have to pull out the rubber band and then you have to pull it in the normal USB charging or mobile charging device. The problem is that this is very hard. You have to press very hard. You have to give lots of force to detach the rubber band from this smart device. So this is pretty headache and pretty bad, I can say. This is one of the biggest flop thing in this device, biggest minus point in this device. Lots of years have been passed, but one feature or problem is there. I don't know it is a inability to implement this feature inside a smart band or not. I don't know why. The problem is if you take a nap in the evening, afternoon, in the daylight, suppose you do have or you work at a night shift, so you will sleep in the morning time or in the daytime, but that kind of day sleep or the afternoon sleep, evening sleep does not detect in this device. So if you take sleep, it will not detect, rather it will only detect the nighttime sleep, right? Like after 8 p.m 9 p.m to in the morning. So only it will detect one time sleep per day, but many people takes 2 times sleep in a day. Or if you work at the night shift, so you will sleep at the morning time, so it will not detect in your device. So that's a problem. Another feature I have missed out, that is if you are waiting there for a long time, sitting there for a long time, then it is a very good habit to walk around, not sit in front of computer or any kind of any one place for a long time. So this device will warn you after 1 hour or 2 hours, whatever you save in the app. So it will warn you or it will give you a notification that you are sitting for a long time. So that's a pretty good health advice it will be given by your device. So that's all in this video. Do let me know in the comment section whatever your thought and opinion regarding this device. If you want to buy this device, you can definitely buy, but I can say around 1400 rupees, this is not a value for money product. So in the offer, if you get around 1000 rupees, it will be very much value for money. But there is 2 problems, as I said, nighttime sleep only, and it will be very hard to pull out the rubber band. So that's all in this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and be safe.